News writer ka ba and you wanted to learn more on how you are going to write your news article? If you are, then this video is for you. Hi, it's been a while, and for today, I'll give you 8 pointers to remember in writing your news article. Tip number 1, keep your story brief. Always remember the acronym, keep it short and simple. Hindi na uso ngayon ang summary lead wherein pinagkakasya mo lahat sa isang sentence ang 5 W's and 1 H. Limit your sentence to 23 to 30 words para nang sa ganoon, wala ka ring issue with regards to comma splice. Comma splice means excessive use of commas in a sentence. Pointers number 2, be accurate. Ibig sabihin, dapat accurate lahat ng information na ilalagay mo sa news article mo. May it be the name of the people involved, saan nangyari, kailan, at bakit nangyari ito. Para ma-maintain mo din ang accuracy, kinakailangan mo ng numbers. Hindi ka po pwedeng gumamit dito ng indefinite pronouns, kagaya na lamang ng some, few, many, and all. Dapat meron kang numerical data to maintain the accuracy of your news article. Tip number 3, be objective. Ibig sabihin, as a writer, you need to detach yourself from the news article. Dito, hindi kailangan ng opinion. Bawal na bawal iyon. News writer should rely on data. Pointers number 4, report only legitimate news. Ibig sabihin, bawal dito ang gawa-gawang news story dahil bawal magpakalat ng fake news o ng clickbaits. Lahat ng balita natin merong basis at sigurado dapat nangyari ito. Pointers number 5, include names of people as possible. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mong pangalanan ang mga taong involved, whether they are prominent or not prominent. Kung sila ay prominenteng tao, you can use their names in your headline and as well as on your lead. But, if hindi sila prominente or sila ay isang ordinaryong Pilipino lamang, you cannot use their name in your headline. Pointers number 6, look for unusual angle. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, hindi na uso ngayon sa pagbabalita ang paggamit ng 5 W's and 1 H or ang summary lead. Napakadami ng naglalabasang way ng pagsulat ng lead. Kaya naman, if kung gusto mong maungusan ang mga makakalaban mo sa pagsulat ng balita or news writing, then kailangan marunong kang humanap ng anggulo. Sa pagbabalita or sa pagsulat ng balita, angle is the key. Pointers number 7, avoid one-source stories. Meaning to say, if you are a news writer, you are also a researcher. Meaning, don't just rely to one source. You need to dig deeper if you wanted to find out a good angle for your news story. And for your last pointer, use style guide. In writing news story, we are taught by our teachers, coaches, and trainers of the use of the inverted pyramid, wherein the most important part of the news is written at the beginning part of the paragraph, or we call the lead, and the least important information should be written at the end paragraph of your news story. And to effectively use this, we have style guides. And as a news writer, dapat alam mo na sa sarili mo what is your writing style. If you know your writing style, it will be your edge to other competitors. That's your 8 pointers in writing news story. And this is Learn in 5 Minutes by Sol. Bye! See you next time.